I have been around power plants as a Navy nuclear loveless electrical operator and spent over 17 years in the field as an HVAC technician and contractor. For the last 20 years, I have managed the HVAC for Beginners website to help homeowners navigate heating and cooling. People often assume a bigger brand name automatically means a better machine, but that can cost you thousands. Today, we look at the KeepRite ProComfort N5A5S and the Trane Choice 5 TTX5 to see if the premium price is worth it. KeepRite is a regional brand that shares engineering with Carrier and Payne under Carrier Global. That means you get proven technology often found in higher priced labels without the marketing markup. Trane is the flagship brand and has a reputation for being the most durable name in the business. Trane positions itself as a premium choice, while KeepRite targets a high-value performance sweet spot. The Trane 5 TTX5 features signature louvered panels for excellent protection against physical damage. The KeepRite N5A5S uses a tight wire grill that allows easy coil cleaning but exposes the coil more. Both units are surprisingly quiet, with KeepRite around 71 decibels and Trane at 73 decibels. You likely would not notice the difference while sitting on your back porch. Both units offer a 15.2 SEER 2 rating and use a single-stage scroll compressor. Single-stage compressors are like a standard light switch, either fully on or fully off. Variable speed units act like a dimmer and save more energy, but single-stage models are simpler and cheaper to repair. 2026 pricing shows a large gap. KeepRite averages about $6,150 installed versus Trane at $8,250. That is a $2,100 difference for systems with almost identical efficiency ratings. You are paying a heavy premium for the Trane name and their dealer network, not extra cooling performance. For maintenance, clean outdoor coils with a garden hose every spring to maintain heat transfer. If your system ices up, the problem is usually at the indoor unit. Check filters and the evaporator coil first. The warranty is where KeepRite pulls ahead with a no-hassle replacement limited warranty for the first year. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty otherwise. Trane recently had a recall on certain gas-electric packaged units for potential gas leaks and fire hazards. That recall is not for this exact model, but highlights potential brand safety concerns. After reviewing specs and 2026 pricing, the KeepRite N5A5S is the winner for value. It offers similar efficiency, a better replacement warranty, and saves over $2,000 upfront. Unless you live in a heavy hail area where Trane's louvered panels are essential, KeepRite is the better value. Shop like a pro. Use the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners to compare these models against the rest of the brands on the market.